Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, it's the 1st of September already, which is incredible how the time flies. I just can't believe that summer is almost gone here in Canada. So we of course take a look every month at the market share of Windows versions, see where they are, and well, now the Windows 10 operating system seems to be going down a little faster than it used to. So after reaching a peak here in April, now we're down at 64.99 for last month and 64.2 almost for September. So for the month of August, actually. So we are definitely slowly declining, actually declining a little faster, and I am curious to see how fast it's going to decline, if it's going to accelerate over time. It's still, of course, a big number. I mean, September 1st, a year and a month, almost a year and 2 months before end of support at 64.2%. We've never seen a Windows version that high a year before it is supposed to be gone. Windows 11 moved to 31.6 from 30.8, so almost a percent. This is faster rise recently. We could see that Windows 11 has a faster set of rising at close to 1%, sometimes a little more. So that would give us, if say it accelerates a little bit, let's give it 11 months until next year, and say that would probably give it at least a 15% rise, at least, because it might go even faster next year. That would push it at 47%. So as Windows 11 would probably be at below 50, that's for sure, at the speed that it's going now. But things are going to change. I'm pretty sure that in 2025 we are going to see a steeper decline of Windows 10 and a much faster rise of Windows 11. So this is interesting to see these numbers. But still, we're 3 years in to Windows 11. 31.6% is not that much to consider that Windows 10 was way ahead of that 3 years after it was launched. And then, of course, we have 3% for Windows 7, and the rest is dismal, less than 1% for all the rest. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.